Maximum benefit on your own hunt for gold information. In these times of financial uncertainty, many individuals choose gold to construct a retirement nest egg. But there are several things that must be found out about gold investing, and in many cases people who have been carrying it out for a while don't always understand all you need to know. The ideas included here will help you find out more about buying, as well as selling, gold. Attain multiple estimate of the need for your gold. Gold buyers and jewelry stores are out to generate a profit, so they'll all pay below the exact worth of the gold you're selling. You can be certain you're getting the hottest deal by looking around. Gold bullion bars are excellent investments. There is a great variety of various weights. You will discover a collection of half-ounce and then around 400-ounce bars. It will be harder to get the bigger bars. Gold's prices are always changing, making it essential to know your piece's value before selling it. Don't forget to take into account the different carat values of the gold pieces. Don't sell jewelry that has an elevated value because of the design or even the creator. Ahead of doing anything with gold, whether it be selling or buying, you should become knowledgeable about how pricing operates. Gold, platinum and silver prices often fluctuate daily, so be sure to look into the spot price over a specific day before you make a transaction. You need to be willing to pay an increased percentage for fractional pieces like half ounces and quarter ounces over the melt prices. Get your jewelry appraised. Even though it is an extra expense, it may be really worth the investment. As a way to maximize reliability, ensure the appraiser is independent and accredited. However, usually do not expect to obtain the exact amount suggested with the appraisal when you sell the gold. Frequently earring posts are made from solid gold, even when the specific earring is just not solid. Clasps of necklaces and ring bands tend to be real gold too. Because these pieces do not weigh a whole lot, try selling them as a lot. This really is various gold pieces in one quantity and it will help you earn more money. Talk to the BBB before selling your gold into a jewelry store, dealer or gold buyer. They'll have basic practical information on you including reviews and complaints from other customers. Glance at the complaints to see whether they were resolved. When you see many complaints, you will want to find another business. You don't have to have physical bars, coins or jewelry to benefit from gold. Buying gold-focused mutual funds and stock in companies that mine gold can also be choices for making an investment in gold. In the event you choose that you intend to own physical gold, be mindful of your security costs. You will be spending money on storage. Prior to buying gold, know your dealer. Consult with the Greater Business Bureau to verify the trustworthiness of a dealer. That way, you can discover about any complaints made regarding the company. In the event the dealer does have complaints filed against them, seek out another dealer. If you are investing out from a sheer love of gold itself, consider purchasing pure gold jewelry. Golden jewelry will hold its value and will be worn too. A bit of gold jewelry which is high value and crafted well offers additional value to the piece, making it excellent investment. Sell gold primarily after it is peaking. Remember, there are daily fluctuations in the stock market. When you know exactly how the market works, you can find more for your money. Wait to sell your gold up until you see stocks and shares climbing. You don't wish to purchase a lot of when you're buying gold. Gold will not bring income for the table like stocks and mutual funds can with dividends. Costs are incredibly volatile. As soon as the equities are devalued, which is when you are getting a surge in value, you ought to invest a maximum of 5% of the investment portfolio in gold. Watch the values of gold for the little while before selling. Studying the marketplace will assist you to know just when to sell, which requires you to develop a feeling of how prices rise and fall. It really is worth it to look at the cost for a while before moving gold. Gold remains remarkably popular despite market fluctuations. For this reason, you are going to generally always obtain a profit. That type of flexibility means that gold trading is smart, but you will need to learn strategies that work in negative and positive times to help you make a profit. When conducting technical analysis, check the monthly and weekly gold charts. The ideal choice are the MCX charts, which enable you to plot trends or identify patterns inside your data. Put both kinds of charts to work for you to find the best results. Discover the price tag on gold prior to deciding to try to market it. Generally, when you go to sell gold pieces, a dealer will expect that you are wanting to earn some fast cash. This is exactly what offers them the notion that they may give you hardly any money and pull off it. An incredible website to learn the current price for gold is www.goldprice.org. Whenever you're sending a bit of gold to a buyer, make a list of everything which is included the package you send. Have a minimum of 2 copies of your own packing slip available. Include one detailed list from the mailer and maintain a copy of your list to get a written record of your items which were shipped. Everyone knows that gold has played a significant role in several scenarios, from those wanting to get rich to people seeking some financial comfort. As a way to successfully trade gold, however, you need to know a great deal concerning the process. The details in this article should supply you with a good jumping-off point for buying and selling gold. GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.